Namaskar, welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in its daily weather briefing program of 20th January 2022. So in this briefing we will discuss about past 24 hours weather, synoptic systems, weather forecast and warnings for next 5 days. So yesterday there was a western disturbance today also persisting over North Pakistan in neighborhood in lower tropospheric levels, actually at 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level, and also an induced cyclonic circulation lies over central parts of Rajasthan and neighborhood. And yesterday's cyclonic circulation over North Bangladesh and neighborhood is still persisting. Now extends up to 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level. So there is another trough running from this central parts of South Bay of Bengal to central Bay of Bengal in lower tropospheric level. So these are the synoptic systems. Now we will discuss about weather observed during past 24 hours. So very dense fog in isolated pockets has been prevailed over Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and dense fog in some pockets over Haryana and in isolated pockets over Punjab, East Rajasthan, Assam, Meghalaya, Northwest Madhya Pradesh, so also dense fog has been realized over Delhi, that is over Palam 50-meter visibility has been recorded at 3 UTC, that is 08:30 hours IST of today. And also a storm at 1 or 2 pockets has been realized over Meghalaya, and cold day to severe cold day conditions prevailed in many parts of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and isolated parts over Punjab, Northwest and East Madhya Pradesh, and cold day conditions in isolated pockets over Haryana and Delhi. So this is the realized weather in terms of dense fog and thunderstorm and cold day to severe cold day conditions. As regards rainfall, no significant rainfall has been realized during past 24 hours. However, very light to light rainfall has been realized over parts of western region, that is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and also over Punjab, Haryana, and West Uttar Pradesh during past 24 hours. So now we will discuss about this weather forecast. So we can say that under the influence of a fresh western disturbance which is likely to affect western region and northwest India from 21st January 2022. So under the influence of that, isolated to scattered rainfall, snowfall very likely over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand during next 2 days, and increase thereafter with a fairly widespread to widespread rainfall snowfall on 22nd and 23rd January and reduction thereafter. And isolated heavy rainfall snowfall also likely over above meteorological subdivisions on 22nd and 23rd January 2022, that is over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and isolated to scattered rainfall also likely over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh and East Rajasthan on 28th, that is today, and 21st, and increase thereafter with fairly widespread rainfall and distribution on 22nd and 23rd, and decrease thereafter. And isolated to scattered rainfall likely over East Rajasthan during 20 January to 23rd January, and over East Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh during 22nd to 24th January, and over Madhya Pradesh on 22nd and 23rd January 2022. Isolated heavy rainfall is also expected over Punjab on 22nd January 2022, and scattered to fairly widespread rainfall very likely over Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal and Sikkim during 22nd to 24th January 2022. Isolated hailstorm also likely over West Madhya Pradesh on 21st and 22nd, and over Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh, North Rajasthan, East Madhya Pradesh, and some and West Bengal and Sikkim on 22nd January, and over Bihar on 22nd and 23rd January, over Jharkhand and Bengal, West Bengal on 23rd January 2022. And also under the influence of western disturbance, strong surface winds also likely over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Rajasthan and West Uttar Pradesh on 21st and 22nd January 2022. Fairly widespread to widespread rainfall activity is very likely over Northeast India during 23rd to 25th January, and isolated thunderstorm with lightning and hailstorm also likely over Assam and Meghalaya on 20th January, and isolated heavy rainfall is also likely over Assam and Meghalaya on 24th January 2022. We are regularly updating our forecast and warnings daily four times a day. If any change, you can refer our websites and different social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter pages. So it is recommended kindly follow us on different modes of communications. Now we will discuss fog, cold day and cold wave. So no significant change in minimum temperature over Madhya Pradesh during next 3 days is expected and fall by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius thereafter. And as far as Northwest India is concerned, it is minimum temperatures are likely to rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over Northwest India during next 2 to 3 days and fall by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius during subsequent 2 days. And no significant change in minimum temperature over Maharashtra during next 3 days and fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. No significant change in minimum temperature over Gujarat state during next 2 days and fall by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius thereafter. So gradual rise in minimum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over East India during next 5 days. Now come to very dense fog, very likely over isolated pockets over Uttar Pradesh and dense fog in isolated pockets over Punjab, Chandigarh, Delhi, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, North Madhya Pradesh and some in West Bengal and Sikkim on night of 20th and morning of 21st, and it is likely to persist over East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar during subsequent 24 hours. So therefore, we can say that East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar is expected dense fog during next 2 days, and over the remaining subdivisions what I have told during next 24 hours, that is night and morning hours of today and tomorrow. And cold day to severe cold day conditions is expected in isolated pockets over Madhya Pradesh and cold day conditions in isolated pockets over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh during the next 24 hours and over Bihar during the next 2 days. So this is about the cold day to severe cold day conditions. This is weather warnings in graphics format. You can see that here this orange color is given due to the fog and cold day to severe cold day conditions over this Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, and the yellow color is given due to the cold day and fog over this Punjab, Haryana and this Bihar, and due to the fog over South and West Bengal. And this orange color is given to Assam and Meghalaya because there is a possibility of isolated hailstorm and thunderstorm over this subdivision, and yellow color is given to remaining parts of northeast India, that is over Arunachal Pradesh and this Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and yellow color is also given to West Rajasthan due to the dense fog in morning hours. And tomorrow orange color is given to East UP due to the dense fog in morning and night hours, and yellow color is given due to the thunderstorm activity over these parts of northwest India, that is Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and West Madhya Pradesh, and due to the cold day conditions over East Madhya Pradesh, and due to the fog over this Bihar and cold day conditions also expected over Bihar, so yellow color is given on 21st as well. And on 22nd, orange color is given to the fresh intense rainfall activity for thunderstorm, hailstorm, and also heavy rainfall over parts of this Punjab and Western region, and also due to the hailstorm possibility over this plains of northwest India. And yellow color is given to the thunderstorm activity over east and central India on 22nd. And on 23rd, again, yellow color is continue over these pockets, that is western region, adjoining plains of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and also over central, east, and northeast India due to the thunderstorm activity. And on 24th, this activity over northwest India and western region likely to reduce, and so no weather warning has been issued. However, there is a possibility of this hailstorm over Chhattisgarh and also thunderstorm activity over northeast India on 24th as well. But I have already discussed in details in textual format also. So kindly follow us on our different modes of communications, that is our different apps, Mosam app, Damini app, Meghdut app, and also our website, that is mosam.imd.gov.in, and Facebook and Twitter pages. Kindly follow us on our this YouTube channel also. Please subscribe our channel if not already subscribed, if new to the channel, and also comment on our different videos for better updation on daily basis. So this is all about today's briefing, and we will meet again tomorrow with another episode of Daily Weather Briefing. Till then, bye bye.